In today's video, I will show you how to draw a cute girl. Now, it needs to be colored.
Sun is up high, bright in the sky. Feel the breeze, it's a happy day. Birds sing sweet, dancing feet. Heart beat fast, it's a happy day. Happy day, oh, sing and sway, oh, underneath the sun, laugh and run, oh. Waves so blue, me and you, island air, it's a happy day. Hands held tight, day and night, feel so light, it's a happy day. Happy day, oh, sing and sway, oh, underneath the sun, laugh and run, oh. Happy day, oh, sing and sway, oh, underneath the sun, laugh and run, oh.
Now, you have learned how to draw a cute girl. Congratulations!